turn this in. Okay, so yesterday we made paper airplanes, right, which I'll give to you. If you want to make a new one, Miss Montano went to go get some paper. Let me have that for now. Okay. I get it. I'm going to pass it out. If you want to make a new one, we'll give you some time to make some new one. Then I'm going to give it paper out with your data, with your tables on it, and then I'll explain to you what we're going to do. And what this is fourth hour. We went into the cafeteria before, outside was way too windy. I think what we should do is close the doors and we'll go in the hallway right here. Okay. So that the lunch people from lunch can't get in our way. So help me with this because I don't know everything. Rosa?
You have to call my wife's name when you see it.
Zachary, that's you?
Don't, no, she has to call.
Jonathan?
Oh, it's a Jackson.
Is that Jonathan?
Oh, okay.
Jonathan? And if you want to make a new one, because yesterday we did that trial, go for it. That's,
Is there anybody that wants to make a new one?
He's in here, right? Andres isn't here?
No.
That's yours.
Wait, which one? I'm Savannah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Swag Mobile, E-Swag Empty. Jake. And then this is a... Okay, so if you want to make a new one, go for it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So perfect. Get into groups of 3. 3 people, that's it. Chris. Doesn't matter who. But we all need to be in a group and there has to be 3 people. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter, you don't have to be all. It's going to be okay. So sit in your groups so I know what they are.
Kayla.
Groups of 3 though.
And Anthony, I guess.
There you go. Okay, Jay. So you 3? Sit right here. Who was my last material? So you know. 3. I'm not mad at you. I'm just continuing.
Same thing.
No? It's different.
I think it's the same.
1, you're done. Will you take over? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, good.
So does that count?
No, there's 3 groups of 2.
Someone's gotta, no, it's gotta be 3 groups of 3. So, how are we
Does she
gonna
not
do
know
this? Are you gonna add a group?
number?
Do you wanna come here?
Okay.
That's okay, you're just measuring when you come back in, and then you'll be here? Okay, thank you.
I got that.
Okay. So each group, so this is, I'm gonna give you a piece of paper, we're gonna go over it, and then I'm gonna have you write a few things down. I'll give you your materials, and then we'll go out into the hallway. And we'll throw these around. I wish we could go into the cafeteria. I wish we could go outside, but the wind is crazy, and the cafeteria, there's these kids. That's for your group. This is for your group. Or you guys going? That's for your group? Okay. Will you scoot up? Thank you. So put your names on the sheet, gentlemen. Put your names on that sheet. All 3 of your names should be on that sheet. Was this an extra one, this one? Yeah. Hold on to it for me. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. So look at the 2 charts. So the top chart, do we see it has the numbers going down, number of paper clips, and then it says thrower, measure, data recorder. Yes, Ms. Garcia, we see that. Yes, Ms. Garcia, we see that. Gentlemen, we see that?
Yeah.
On our sheets. Thrower, measurer, recorder? Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your name in there, and then you're gonna rotate. So for example, if I'm going to be the thrower the first time, I'm gonna throw, you're gonna measure, we're gonna take the tape recorder out, measurer out. You're gonna measure, you're gonna, huh? What? The names are gonna go in the box, so whatever you're doing. Now, next time around, you recorded it, right? Next time around, so for the first one, for one paper clip, I'm gonna put my paper clip on there, and the new rule is you're gonna just put it on the bottom, okay? Anywhere on the bottom, nowhere else. Bottom of the plane, do you hear that? Okay. Am I gonna throw again the second time? No. Who should throw? You're gonna throw then. So I'm gonna become the what? The measurer, and you're gonna recorder. So do you see how it rotates? So rotate tasks. That's the first thing. That's still all your airplanes. The second thing, and this is what you have to write on your sheet of paper. I only want you to use one paper airplane. So write this on your sheet. Only use one paper airplane. So when we go out into the hallway, you could test all three of them, test all the ones you have, take about 5 minutes testing it, and then choose one. So, let's try this. How many airplanes are we going to use? Whoever catches it. How many airplanes are we using?
I don't know.
One. How are we deciding that one we're using? We're going to test them, and the other ones you can just push off to the side. We'll use them for the art, okay? Okay, so next part, the bottom table. This is where we're going to record our data, okay? So names are going here. Now the first throw says 0. Why does it say 0? You don't put paper clips on it. So the first throw is no paper clips. The second throw is one paper clip, and then so forth. And then you throw it, measure it out, record it. Tape measure. Have we seen one of these before?
No.
It's okay. I mean, seriously, I think some people earlier today had never seen this. They were like, oh,
I cut myself on that.
huh?
I cut myself on that.
Good, so you go to my next point. When you pull this out, you kids are going to throw these things far, okay? It may extend all the way out. Don't just let go and whip it back, okay? We don't need anyone cutting their finger. We don't, and one already of these broke, so we don't need to break them. You don't need to rip it out. Just slowly pull. You're going to get 3 cones, 6 paper clips, and a tape measure. The cones, this is where I'm starting. I'm going to throw it from here. I'm going to throw it. I have another cone. One of the people. We're going to put the other cone down. The measurer. Someone holds it. See, this sounds funny, but you should have seen our first hour. It was like, whoa, whipping each other. It was like, whoa. Okay? You're going to hold it. Someone's going to hold it there. We're going to stop. The way we're measuring this, put this on your paper. You're measuring in inches. Inches. Measuring in what? Inches. Right on your paper. Not feet, not meters, inches.
Guys, you can choose to participate in this, or you can sit here and take a 0.
Inches. So on the tape measure, do you know where you locate the inches? The very top. The very top, and I'm going to go around and show you all. The very top, the inches are on the top. You see how it counts the little dashes? So that's what you're doing. So this goes all the way to like 191. Let's say you stretch it all the way out. What do you think you should do? I stretch it all the way out, but my plane's still way down there.
You should measure it and then restart.
Restart. So I'm going to mark it. That's 191. So on my sheet, 191 inches. Then from that marker, I'm going to hold it and go out again. This is 91. So I'm going to go on my sheet of paper, and I'm going to add it. Are we okay? So how many inches did I throw? That goes in my table. Are we okay with that? Okay. So inches on the top, you see that?
But we just throw it one time.
You throw it 7 times. And then the first 5 minutes testing which airplane you want. Okay. The what? They're all black dashes, yes, the black dashes, and then they go by ones, it's inches. Do we see it on the very top?
Oh,
Very top, inches. It's near the feet. You'll see as you stretch it out, it will say feet. Just keep it in inches. Okay? All right, so let's start passing these out. You can pick one. So this is for you. You have 3 cones, a tape measure, and 6. Oh, you don't have. When we're done collecting data,
Let's see what the expression now.
Zach, when we're done collecting data, we're gonna come back in here, you're gonna graph it, and then we're answering questions. And those questions are based off of the vocab we took on Monday. So, bivariate data, scatter plots, clusters, outliers, positive association, negative association. And what I'm seeing today, some people, if the more the consistent they were with measuring and throwing, you saw positive association. Some that had no structure to it and were just like, their graph was all over the place. So try to have a strategy, like do it the same every time so we can actually really see what it looks like. And you have yours? So, here you go. Oh, I'm just gonna keep handing them out. So we're good then? And you have yours? Is this yours? That's yours. Any paper clips? Head outside? Or to the hallway. I'm sorry I can't take you anywhere else. So go ahead to the hallway.